Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of FSP Past Paper series, and today we'll be breaking down question booklet of FSP Mathematics Contest 2023 for grade 9 and 10. So let's begin. Question 1. Salma made this design. Which line is a line of symmetry of Salma's design? So the correct answer is option C. Question 2. In preschool class, there are 20 children and 5 teachers. What is the ratio of teachers to children in its simplest form? The correct option is A. 1:4. Question 3. Huria made a pattern with blocks as shown. In stage 2, Huria used a tool of 5 blocks. How many blocks does Huria need for stage 5? The correct answer is option B. 17. Question 4. The volume of a cube is 64 centimeter cube. What is the length of one side of the cube? The answer is option A. 4 centimeter. Question 5. Sami starts a number pattern using 3 as his first term. To make a new term in this pattern, Sami squares the previous term and doubles the answer. What is the third term in Sami's pattern? So, the answer is option C, 648. Question 6. Sabiha records the temperature of a room every 15 minutes from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. During which period did the temperature fall by 3 degrees centigrade? The correct answer is option B, 8 o'clock to 8:15. Question 7. An EMU laid an egg on 30th July. The egg hatched exactly 6 weeks later. On what date did the egg hatch? So the correct answer is option D, 24th August. Question number 8. Hassan changed 750 Indian rupees into Pakistani rupees. He spent 270 of these Pakistani rupees. How many American dollars did he get for his remaining Pakistani rupees? So the correct answer is option A, 400. Question 9. The speed of light in space is 299,792,458 meters per second. What is half the speed rounded to the nearest million? So the correct option is C, 150 million. Question 10. This graph shows how Shahid spent his leisure time on one Saturday. Shahid spent 30 minutes playing computer games. How many hours did Shahid spend reading? So the correct option is C, 2. Question 11. What is the value of x in this equation? 5x plus 6 equals 11 minus 2x. So the value of x in this equation is 5 by 7. That is option A. Question 12. Jamil made this shape using 3 overlapping squares. Each square had sides 12 centimeters. What is the total area in centimeters square of the shape? So the correct answer is option C, 360. Question 13. Asha has a vase that is a cube with sides of 10 centimeters. She put some liquid in the vase. She tilted the vase so that the liquid covered one face and half of the base of the vase. Aisha then tilted the vase back so that the base was horizontal. What was the height of the liquid in the vase when the base was horizontal? The correct answer is option B, 2.5 centimeter. Question 14. Maria made a triangular prism and cut it into 3 pieces. The pieces are all prism of the same height. Maria selected the pieces with the greatest numbers of faces. How many edges does this piece have? The correct answer is option D, 15. Question 15. Shiraz is 1.5 meter tall. One morning he measured his shadow to be 0.5 meter. His sister Sharmila's shadow was 0.3 meter at the same time and place. How tall is Sharmila? So the correct answer is option B, 0.9 meter. Question 16. Sabahat is going to put a circular pond in her 6-meter wide square garden. The diameter of the pond will be the same as the width of the garden. What area of garden will remain after the pond has been installed to the nearest meter square? So the correct answer is option A, 8. Question 17. There were 600 tickets sold for a school family gala function. The total amount of the ticket sales was $1,320. How many student tickets were sold? So the correct option is D, 540. Question 18. How many numbers between 301 and 400 are divisible by both 3 and 4? The answer is Option B, 8. Question 19. 2x minus 4y minus 8x plus y equals to option D, minus 6x minus 3y. Question 20. F is equal to b square minus 30b minus 4000. At what positive value of v does f is equals to 0? So the correct answer is option D, 80. Question 21. Simon hangs different masses from a spring and then measures the length of the spring. The result for several different masses are shown in this graph. Which of these formulas best describes the relationship between L and M as shown in the graph? So the correct option is A. L is equals to 1 by 4M plus 30. Question 22. What is the area of this shape? The correct answer is option A. 128 centimeters square. Question 23. A is equals to xy by 2. Which of these shows this formula with y as the subject? So the correct option is A. Y is equals to 2a divided by x. Question 24. Here are 14 points plotted on the number plane. Which of these lines passes through the greatest number of points? So the correct option is B. X plus y is equals to 2. Question 25. The mean maximum temperature for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday of a particular week was 30 degrees centigrade. The mean maximum temperature for Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday of the same week was 24 degrees centigrade. What was the difference between the maximum temperature on Monday and the maximum temperature on Thursday of this particular week? So the correct option is D, 18 degrees centigrade. Question number 26. Sumbal wrote this formula to work out the total number of liters in 24 soft drink cans. 24x is equals to y. What does x represent? So the correct option is A, the number of liters in one can. Question 27. Quadrilaterals ABCD and EFGH are concurrent. Which of these pairs of transformations could move ABCD onto EFGH? So the correct option is C. Question 28. Javed is X years old. Zaira is 5 years older than Javed. Binish is 3 years older than Zaira. The total of the ages of Javed, Zaira and Binish is 40. Which equation best represents this information? So the correct option is D. 3x plus 13 is equals to 40. Question 29. Sanawar and Sanobar are at opposite ends of an 18-kilometer bush track. They both start walking along the track at the same time and meet after 3 hours. Sanawar walked at a speed of x kilometer per hour. Which of these represent the speed in kilometer per hour at which Sanobar walked? So the correct answer is option B, 6 minus x. Question 30. Javinia arranged 6 identical blocks as shown. What is the value of A, which is here? So the correct answer is option C, 120. That's all for today's video. Hope you must have learned a lot. Keep practicing and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.